Welcome and good day all, this is Tahilin29, back again for another Challenge of the Super Sons review for Super Sons Fortress of Attitude. As we can see today, this chapter is called Death to the Doom Scroll, with Peter G. Tomasi, of course, writing one of our favourite stories in this run. As we return to the story here, we've got Felix Faust talking with Vandal Savage, talking about their encounter with Roar in the past. We of course get a comic reference here that relates to a previous comic, and a big thanks to the editor to that. They continue to talk in the present day in regards to dealing with the Super Sons and also Roar, which I've really enjoyed with this, and also some of the backgrounds in this. Well, as we return to our favourite Super Sons, they learn that, okay, they're the next in line. And John, of course, is in a little bit of disbelief, as if, this can't be true. What's happening here? And according to the rules that were set up in place, they should be in technicality dead. But what's happened here? We soon find out after this little break. I thought I'd take this short time to give a big thank you to all my subscribers to the channel before I start to move into the next part of the story, where we move into the conclusion and finally the rating of the story. So, time to move to the next part. They start to make their way out, and of course, they're still trying to wonder what's happening. We of course get another visitor to whom they both know, and also played a part in inspiring them. We've not moved on to it just yet, but you see that they have a little bit of a rant together. All good there. Until, that's right, Rora returns. I must admit, I really am enjoying the art when Max Rainer's on this. And of course, as Rora returns, we learn that the Doom Scroll spell has practically been broken because of all the hard work that they've put together. And last but not least, they encounter the Vandal Savage and Felix Faust from the past, which are after Aurora, and in turn, this door has got to be closed. But is this the end? With the help of the Super Sons, yes, we do get to see a little bit of fun contact together. And of course, this door gets closed on them. But what for the future? What for the ones that are now in the present? We will find out that when we hit the last and final chapter. Well, now it's time for the rating. Starting off with the cover, I gave it a 9 out of 10. I really enjoyed it. The art in this story, I absolutely loved it. It's why you actually got to see the full story in this. Would I call it a favourite? Maybe not a favourite, but I still enjoyed it. 9.5 for the actual story. Special thanks to Peter J. Tomasi and Max Rainer. And we'll see you again at Super Sons Fortress of Attitude, to when we finally move onto the last chapter of Challenge of the Super Sons.